These are Putnam's cicadas. These western cicadas differ in a few ways from the louder, more commonly recognized cicadas, which produce a high-pitched buzzing noise that we all associate with the sounds of the South. These adorable little critters click their wings together to attract mates. They also have a shorter life cycle and are referred to as annual cicadas. Cicadas are one of my favorite bugs. I find them to be quite attractive and friendly. They don't bite or sting and are completely harmless to humans. Have you heard these little guys up in the trees while out on a hike? Comment below.